Hello, this is the phone mail system. If you are calling from your own extension, push enter or pound.
Phone mail is a voice messaging system that attaches to a telephone system and is accessed from a phone or a trunk. Phone mail provides the user with several services: storing and forwarding of voice messages.
To listen, push 3. Record, push 1. Change personal options, push 8. You have 3 new messages. Message 1 from extension 267.
Voice messages are labeled with the time they were created, the date, and the source of the message. Customized telephone answering for both internal and external calls when you are either on the phone or away from your desk.
Hello, this is Farooq Basrai, ROLM Systems, and you reached my phone mailbox. Please leave me a detailed message.
Voice prompts guide you through every stage of the phone mail session.
To change your greetings, push 1. To change your answering mode, push 2.
Distribution lists speed delivery of the same message to multiple destinations.
To return to home, you have 1 distribution list. Distribution list 1 contains
and call processing access.
2 for textbooks. Press 3 for general books. Your call is being connected to general books at extension 3.
You've just seen a customer's view of phone mail. Now let's look at it from an engineering view. Phone mail handles up to 128 callers at a time, connecting each caller through a separate voice channel. It's sold in increments of 4 voice channels up to a maximum of 128 channels. A single node supports up to 16 channels. Systems with more than 16 channels are built using up to 8 nodes that are connected together using the IBM Token Ring local area network. Users send information in the form of voice and phone mail commands using the telephone keypad. Now that we've learned what phone mail is, let's take a look at its hardware. Phone mail is housed in a compact box that does not require a special environment, such as additional air conditioning. Each phone mail node is housed in an aluminum riveted cabinet. The inside of the cabinet allows the tech access to almost all of the boards from the front. The field replaceable units are housed in slidable drawers. The power cord is aligned and secured in the back of the cabinet and automatically connects to the power supply as it enters the cabinet. Even the power supply is easily replaced by disconnecting the front connectors, sliding the old unit out, sliding in the replacement unit, and reconnecting the front plugs. Also, notice how the hard disk drawer, which holds from 1 to 4 drives, and the planar drawer make servicing the phone mail unit fast and simple. 2 cabinets can be stacked together. Up to 4 nodes can be rack-mounted. The largest system sold, 8 nodes, can be housed in 2 racks. Phone mail's main CPU board is the same CPU board found in an IBM PCAT. It contains the Intel 8286 processor running at 8 MHz and the 16-bit I/O bus. The AT planar holds 512 kilobytes of memory. A memory expansion board plugs into the planar, allowing the system to use 6.5 megabytes. A battery pack connects to the planar to keep the CMOS real-time clock running when power to the node is turned off. Both the AT planar and the memory expansion board are standard PCAT boards manufactured by IBM. The serial I/O card combines 3 separate functions on the same board. The system's 6 RS-232 serial I/O ports, the ROM monitor, and the watchdog timer circuitry. This card gets its name from the I/O port. The one RS-232 port is wired to the front of the board, and the other 5 are wired to the back of the cabinet. The internal modem is located underneath the planar and is wired to port 5 in the back of the node. Service personnel use the front port to plug in a terminal. The port connected to the modem is used for remote servicing. The back ports are used for the system administrator terminal and for the control link to the CBX or the PBX. ROM code on the SIO card controls the function of the I/O ports. It runs on the 8188 processor on the card. Ports 3 and 4 are configurable to meet the customer's needs. Software in the system's ROM monitor allows technicians to run diagnostics on the system's boards and to boot the system image into memory. Its code resides physically on the SIO card, but it executes on the 8286 processor on the AT planar. The watchdog timer resets the system in the event of an endless loop in the phone mail software. The SIO card is designed and manufactured by ROLM Systems solely for phone mail. The mass storage controller combines two separate functions: a floppy diskette controller and a SCSI controller. The floppy diskette controller is a standard AT floppy controller. The SCSI controller is also an industry standard controller. In phone mail, it controls the hard disk drives. The mass storage controller is designed and manufactured by Western Digital especially for phone mail. The floppy diskette drive is a 3.5-inch form factor manufactured by Sony and is the same drive used in the IBM PS2s. The hard disk drives are 5.25-inch full-height form factor. Each drive has a formatted capacity of 320 megabytes or 380 megabytes unformatted, which holds about 96 hours of voice storage when all 4 drives are combined. Each phone mail node fits up to 4 drives. The hard disk drives are designed and manufactured by IBM Rochester and used in a number of IBM computing systems. The phone mail voice processor, or PVP board, combines 3 related functions: the digital signal processor, the line card, PRI or TNAC interface, and the AT planar I/O bus interface. The digital signal processor is based on an IBM processor codenamed Cheyenne. It compresses and decompresses the digitized voice. The AT planar I/O bus, PRI, and TNAC interfaces are controlled by the 8188 processor on the PVP board. The PVP board connects to the PRI and TNAC cards via the voice bus cable. The PVP card runs either 4 or 6 voice channels. The exact number of channels is configured by software at runtime. A node contains up to 3 PVP cards that provide up to 16 channel capacity. One PVP card is designated by software as the master card. The others are slaves. The master controls the PRI and TNAC cards. A dip switch block assigns the PVP card number. Another dip switch block terminates the voice bus cable on the last PVP card on the bus. The PVP card is designed and manufactured by ROLM Systems solely for phone mail. The line card cage on the phone mail cabinet houses the line interface cards. There are 2 types of line cards. Phone mail ROLM link interface cards attach phone mail to a ROLM CBX. Telephony network adapter cards attach the system to a non-ROLM PBX. The phone mail ROLM link interface cards attach to a ROLM CBX 8000, 9000, and 9751. Each PRI card is equipped with 4 ROLM link channels. Each channel emulates a ROLM Phone 400 desktop phone. The PRI card is designed and manufactured by ROLM Systems solely for phone mail. The telephony network adapter cards, or TNAC, attaches to a non-ROLM PBX using analog direct trunks, or tie trunks. Each TNAC is equipped with 4 trunks. A set of dip switches configures each trunk type and protocol. The TNAC card is controlled by a Z80 microprocessor. It is designed and manufactured by ROLM Systems solely for phone mail. The token ring adapter is only used in systems with 2 or more phone mail nodes. It connects the nodes in a local area network. The token ring adapter is a standard PC board manufactured by IBM. The internal modem is a Hayes-compatible 1200 baud modem used for remote service of the phone mail system. It's located under the planar drawer and hardwired to the 5th port of the SIO card. The internal modem is designed and manufactured by UDS, especially for phone mail. Each phone mail node contains one of each of the cards described, except for PVP, PRI, and TNAC cards. A system may contain one or more of these cards. For example, a 12-channel phone mail system attached to a ROLM CBX contains 2 PVP cards and 3 PRI cards. Each PVP card uses 6 channels. If that same system attaches to a PBX, the PRIs are replaced with 3 TNACs to provide 12 trunks. And if additional trunks are required, 1 or 2 more TNACs can provide 4 or 8 additional trunks. Please refer to Appendix A of your handout for a table of the configuration options. This concludes our overview of the phone mail hardware. Please, feel free to stop the tape and review it before going on.